Swissport, a global leader in airport ground services and air cargo handling, operates in 286 airports across 44 countries, serving 230 million passengers annually. With operations across the globe, Swissport faced challenges in managing vast amounts of schedule data sourced from multiple channels and in various formats. Manually updating and validating schedules was a slow and complex process, limiting Swissport's ability to respond quickly to industry changes and operational demands. They needed a solution to centralize accurate, validated data that was easily accessible to their global teams. To overcome these challenges, Swissport partnered with OAG to access schedules data via Flight Info Direct, their innovative, cloud-based solution powered by Snowflake. This global aviation data warehouse offers seamless, ready-to-query access to over 70 million forward-looking flight schedules. Using Flight Info Direct, Swissport integrated schedules data effortlessly into their systems, eliminating manual data processes, providing full access to the most trusted aviation data on the market while enhancing real-time collaboration. With a single source of truth, Swissport now optimizes resource planning and drives operational excellence across continents. From baggage reconciliation to check-in processes, OAG's data is utilized throughout Swissport's functions and is present in every airport they operate from, enhancing proficiency and accuracy worldwide. Partnering with OAG, Swissport has transformed its operations. They've seen dramatic improvements in efficiency across teams, data accuracy is at an all-time high, and innovation has become faster and easier than ever. Learn more at OAG.com.